Reports are out now that China is temporarily grounding its 737 MAX fleet. Do you foresee other airlines maybe taking the same steps? Because, it is a cause of concern that two of the latest 737 MAX 8 flights, planes should be experiencing such difficulties when it's so new. But at the same time, we also have to be made aware that every day there are thousands of flights taking place. So the chances of incidents is also quite rare.
Look, indeed, if I can answer you in reverse, 120,000 flights a day. The 737 is the most common used aircraft in the world. There's about 7,500 of them flying every day. And when those 7,500 planes are flying, they're not just doing one flight a day like a 747 would do. They're doing 5, 6, and 7 flights a day. Now, having said that, the 737 is the backbone of China's internal network, along with its competitor, the Airbus A320, two almost identical airplanes. And there are certainly some MAX 8s flying in China at the moment. I think the Chinese are being a little bit premature. I don't see other airlines doing that until we have more information. I mean, as I stressed earlier, the Lion Air accident was all about maintenance, a faulty sensor, and then the reactions of the pilot. And on this one, it's too early to know what the cause was. So, I discount the Lion Air incident as far as a problem for the MAX 8 aeroplane is concerned.
So, Jeff, do you think Boeing then should be perhaps taking a closer look at their 737 MAX 8s? Because we know it's fuel efficient and it's technologically well advanced as well as a popular plane today. So, what do you think Boeing should be doing at this stage as a precaution?
Look, Boeing and Airbus, both aircraft manufacturers, refine their aeroplanes on a daily basis. They put out service bulletins all the time. It's something that goes unseen by the public, but they're always looking at ways and means of improving. They get experience from operators in the field. We're finding a crack in this, or this is a problem a little bit earlier than we thought it was. So they put out service bulletins, check this, modify that. They do upgrades. So it's a constant evolving process. Now, with the 737 MAX, certainly we've had two very tragic accidents. There's been question marks raised in certain areas of the media. A lot of that information is misinformation. It's a misunderstanding of the subsystems of an aeroplane. An aeroplane's got thousands of systems and subsystems. It's impossible, almost impossible for every pilot to know how every single system works. What they are told is, if this happens, do this. If that happens, do that. So if you have an engine fire, for instance, you don't try and work out where the fire is in the engine. You simply pull the fire bottle and kill the engine, kill the fuel, and the maintenance people will work out later what happened. But unfortunately, there is this misinformation around. The 737 is a superb aeroplane, and I don't believe this will damage Boeing at all.